everybody, and welcome back to the InvestTalk YouTube Market Wrap-Up. My name is Luke Guerrero, and it is Monday, April 7th, 2025. Let's talk a little bit about the market today. U.S. stocks were mostly lower in one of the most volatile sessions I've seen really in a long time, right? The Dow was down 91 basis points. S&P negative a lot of the day, positive for some of the day, ended up down 23 basis points. NASDAQ just barely positive at plus 10 basis points. And the Russell 2000 very down at 92 basis points. Relative underperformers look like home builders didn't do particularly well. China tech, apparel, casinos, some of the big underperformers on the day. Although most of big tech was higher, Apple and Tesla, the notable underperformers. Nvidia up in a big way, up over 3%, I believe, on the day. Outperformers included semis, banks, and credit card names. Most interestingly, I would say, and this is something we talk about today on the show, so check out the other videos we have on YouTube if you're more interested in this. And that is, in these types of situations, you typically see when risk off starts to happen, when risk assets are sold, people fleeing towards U.S. Treasuries, right? You saw the yields on Thursday fall. And what you're seeing today, though, is the opposite, not just in the 10-year, but in longer treasuries. Look at the price action on TLT. Very interesting to note, something to watch. Dollar index up 20 basis points. Gold finished down 2% on the day. Crude oil finished down 2.1% at $60.70 a barrel, the lowest close since April of 2021. We also talk about why it's kind of a big deal on the show today. And as you'd expect, the big driver, tariffs, that will likely be the driver of market action moving forward. A lot of uncertainty here. A lot of people not really knowing what the White House wants. Some news that potentially Vietnam looking to reduce tariffs. The White House, in response, Peter Navarro at least in response, that's not really what we're looking for. And so this uncertainty is leading towards an area where you still have a lot of potential downside risk on the market. Now, in terms of macro news, not much on the economic calendar today, really nothing on the economic calendar today, though March PPI and preliminary University of Michigan sentiment for April will be out on Friday. We'll be here with you every day this week, every week this year for a market wrap-up. Thanks for tuning in. See you here tomorrow, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications on.